Built for work, left for dead, but now it's being rebuilt into the ultimate adventure machine. Welcome to StealthBuilt. I'm Ryan, and that's Sam. And in this series, we're taking this old school John Deere AMT 622 and transforming it into a fully functioning mini camper, complete with off-road capability, hidden storage, and everything you need to camp anywhere. We're talking a new engine, custom frame, solar power, and a rugged adventure-ready design. And a build so unique, it might be the craziest camper project on YouTube. And the best part? You're coming along for the ride. If you love DIY builds, off-road adventures, and turning the impossible into reality, then hit that subscribe button because this is going to be epic.
Oh my gosh, it worked. It's so weird looking.
I'm in love with it. Can't wait to camp it.